Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. It's still Wednesday, in January the 29th, 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. Binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the 4-star Sudoku. The previous Sudoku is a tough one. Let me see if this is also a tough one. This will be number triple nine. 2. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 4-star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 2s. We have here 2 3s. We have here 1 4. 3 5s. 2 6s. 3 7s. 2 3 8s and 3 9s. It's divided. Let me start with the 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 7. Need a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 2. 2 could be everywhere. Need a 2 there. Okay. 2 9 5. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. So I need a 5 here. 5, 5. I need a 6 here. Could be everywhere. Okay. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here. Could be there, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left with 1, could be here, could be there. 9, 5, 7. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left with 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left with 7 should be there. 7 in this column, last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left with 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 in the row above, no 7 there. The only place left with 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. Middle row, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Then need a 8, 7, 1. 1 in this row. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places level 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 3, 3, need 3 here or there. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the second row. No 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column 3 in the only place level 3 should be there. Need a 2. Need a... No, 2 and a 4. Yeah. Okay, 4, 8, 6, 4, 8, 6. Let me think. Need a 3 here. 3, 3. 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7. Come on. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, third column. No 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this row. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. 8, 4, and the 6. 5, 9. 5, 9, and a 6. Come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 1 here. 1, 1. And need a 9 here. 9, 9. 7, need a 5. Come on. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3. Could be here. Could be there. 4, 4, need a 4 here. 8, need an 8 here. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 8. Here can be an 8. Here can be. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be an 8, or that box should be an 8. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. 5, 5. Need a 6. Here can be 6. We need a 6 in this column. Middle column. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6. This was the 6. Could be here, could be there. 6 in this column. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left. 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6. There's 6. Could be here, could be there. Need a 6, 7, 8, and I need a 9 here. In this column, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 5, 5, 5, yes. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. One box left in the first row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing here. 1 and 3, we have 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now in the third column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 box left now in the third row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a pair here. Look, 4 and a 6. Also 4 and a 6. So that means these 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there then. Alright. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. We have all the 3s. Okay, so 2 numbers. Wait. 4, 6 and 8 are left. 4, 6 and 8. This can be 3 anymore. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Here 4 and 6. Here 1 number left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 or 6, we have a 4 here, so this box will be a 6. 4 or 6, we have a 6 here, so this box will be a 4. So 2 numbers left for the number 6 and the 8. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 or 6, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, no, we have a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column. The only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 30 minutes. Wow. This one I've solved very quick. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.